Alright, so I already started taking stuff out of the closet. Now this is my room closet. And I'm about to use the Rubbermaid configuration closet kit to kind of redo my closet. As you can see, it was from the heavier shoe boxes that are now down here that I had to move out, but gotta get rid of some of this clutter, you know. And I'm just testing this out up here because my closet downstairs, one part came off, so I'm about to see how this is going to work out. And I got the day off to do it, so let's get to it. Okay, as you can see now, got everything out of the closet. So first thing I'm gonna do is now, let's take a rack now, sweep up in here, wipe down the baseboards, and then I'm gonna start the installation. Good thing I have these. Might need these. So, all right. Alright, so as y'all can see, I already started back the hanging process. So I did put it up 80 inches from the ground because I feel as though the guy who video that I watched, he had a shorter closet. So this one ain't as high as I wanted to be, but I feel as though I can use more ground room. That way I can have more shoe boxes down there opposed to being up top. And I can also use these brackets right here for additional shelving unit. So it might be something that I want to put on the shelving unit where I got, you know, stuff that hang lower like shirts or stuff like that for real. So that's how I figure out I'm gonna do that. So, you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this mess up, get the kids from school, and get back to it. Okay, so here we are. So this is pretty much finished product. Can't really say I gained some space, but you know, I did gain some space because I brought up a couple more pairs of shoes for real that I was able to slide up in there based on the height. So it did kind of give me a little bit more space, and I realized it was stuff that I did need to get rid of, you know. Sometimes you never know what's in your closet until you go in there and you realize that you done had stuff for like 20 years. I ain't gonna say 20, but had it for a while. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess. I mean, it's definitely more sturdy. And I like the fact that I can slide. I guess the sliding is, you know, that's more better. And I added a shelf down here for real, so I can fold up some stuff right here. And, you know, I guess I'll get rid of those extra hangers and or may keep them, you know. But there you go.